Good morning. Nifty view for today 16 December 2025. Buy above Nifty buy about 26,060, target 26,100, 26,130, 26,170. Sell below 25,980, target 25,950, 25,920. And one more scene. Sell below 25,890. If break 25,900 first 5 minutes candle, then enter below 5 minutes candle. Target will be 25,860, 25,860, 25,800. And second scenario, if market gap up open, buy above 26,060. If market open flat in the previous day range, wait for 5 minutes, let it to move above 26,040, then enter for buy side. Stop loss will be first 5 minutes candle low. Thank you. Watch these levels for educational purpose only.